Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see one of my favorite dish, Gongura Mutton. Let's start. Take a pressure cooker, add 1 kg mutton, some curry leaves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of oil and 2 glasses of water. Just mix and pressure cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. To that I am adding 8 cloves, 3 small cinnamon sticks and 2 cardamom, 2 green chilies, 3 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute the onion till it turns golden brown. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it till the raw smell goes. And add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Once the tomatoes mashed, add half teaspoon cumin powder, 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix all these together and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Bring to boil. Now add the cooked mutton to the gravy. And cook for few minutes. Now add 1 cup of chopped gongura leaves. Mix well and close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the Gongura mutton is ready. Serve hot with white rice. It will be so yummy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.